Finding key evidence as quickly as possible is the primary objective of any investigation. Password-protected or encrypted data can grind the investigation to a halt. That's where we come in. Passware software supports a broad range of file types and encryption applications, from Office documents and PDFs to full disk encryption applications and Bitcoin wallets. Passware Kit Forensic is used worldwide by corporations and law enforcement agencies like the FBI, the UK Metro Police, and Europol to crack cases with a success rate of up to 70%. Businesses use Passware for encryption audits as a compliance tool to ensure any data that's encrypted is always readily available. Passware Kit Forensic is the fastest and the most advanced decryption solution on the market. It supports hardware acceleration and acquires encryption keys from memory images or cloud for instant decryption of hard disks and files. That's why Passware is the world leader in encrypted electronic evidence discovery and decryption. Passware. Find, decrypt, open.